Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So we're right here on Bombay Avenue. We're taking a drive from Perkins Estate to basically on the boulevard, Dwane Park. That's the area we'll be covering today. This is a apartment complex right here on Bombay Avenue. Let's give you guys a quick glimpse. It's Meadow Palms, Asheville. So that's the name of this apartment right here, outside of Perkins Boulevard. And then this is the Meadowbrook Estate roundabout. We'll be heading on to Aberville Avenue, with some of the roads leading to Patrick City, those areas. So the first left turn is Patrick Drive, and we're on Aberville Avenue. So first of all, guys, we must know the drill by now. If you've watched a few videos, haven't subscribed yet, tell me why you haven't subscribed. But if you really just forget to subscribe, so this is Tedford Avenue on the left. So if you forgot to subscribe, or if you don't have a problem subscribing, I really appreciate it. So just click that red subscribe button, turn it gray, join the family so you don't miss these uploads. Turn on your post notification bell as well, so once I do a new upload, you're also notified. Remember to like the video, and I'll appreciate if you also leave a comment. You can comment from now, and you can like the video from now as well. Remember to share the video, share on Facebook, share on your WhatsApp status, share on Instagram. You know, probably someone else will see the video that's really beneficial. It could be that they're house hunting and they see a house that they like. Could be that they, you know, didn't know this route, and because of you, they now know this route. So this intersection leads back into Patrick City, and again we are on Aberville Avenue. Even from one of my videos, I did a video up in Chancery Hall, and a subscriber for the channel saw a house that she was in love with. It wasn't for sale, but she was in love with the house. She resided in Kris and Charles Investment Limited, as partnered with the channel Raymore Reviews. So you guys definitely show them some support. They're also having a promotion right now. So this is the promotion. It's the feel free promotion. Borrow up to $1 million and pay less than $20,000 monthly. So the promotion runs until the end of April 2021. So you guys definitely check them out, and you can even WhatsApp them to 838-9028. So check them out, guys. Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited, partnered with the channel, so show them some support. In Mandeville, back that side, but she was looking for somewhere in Kingston. And this is the intersection of Daytona Drive, leads back into Patrick City. Right, so she saw this house, she's in love with it, came into Kingston. She made an offer to the owners, I guess, that they couldn't refuse, and she was able to close on that house. So, you know, everybody benefits differently from these videos, so always share, guys. This is Bentley Circle. I think I need to come live on this road, Bentley Circle. I don't own a Bentley, but at least I can live on Bentley Circle, right, guys? And then this is Sherlock Circle on the left. And then this road will lead into Dwane Park. So stay tuned, guys. Enjoy the drive. And remember to like, subscribe, and share. So Baldwin Crescent was on the right. Then we have Waterhouse Drive on the left right here. And then now we're on Dwane Drive. So this is where Dwane Drive starts, which is essentially now the Dwane Park community. And Caldwell Avenue on the left that we just passed. So we're in the community of Dwane Park. We're on Dwane Drive. Alright, so out here is more of the town center. So you have doctor office, wholesale, grocers. You have the police station on the left. So we're gonna go on this drive, Sutcliffe Avenue. And then I turned back. Just wanted to show you guys a glimpse of this avenue. And then what we'll do is to go over the Plaza, Dwane Park Plaza, and do a quick drive around for you guys. And then I guess we can end the video there. So this is a drive from Perkins Estate, Meadowbrook Estate to the Dwane Park Plaza. So this is the police station in front of me, Dwane Park Police Station. Alright, so Skyline Medical across the road. And some other doctors' offices are here as well. Dwane Park Total Gas Station. So narrow driveway. Then over here is the Dwane Park Shopping Center. We have Shoppers Fair directly in front of us. That's the supermarket. It says mini Shoppers Fair, I guess because it's smaller than the typical Shoppers Fair. We have Belly Bus Restaurant. We have a next big supermarket down this side being refurbished. And they have just did some facelift on this plaza as well. So most of the complex is on the right. You'll see that they look much newer. Their roofing looking much newer as well than the ones on the left, which I'll show you guys in a bit. So they're doing some facelift of the plaza. So these are the newer shops. Some of them still to be occupied, still looking some owners. So quite a few still empty. So if you guys want to shop in this area, and they're not very small either, you know. So you have dry cleaning, ice cream parlor, and again some shops still empty, good size shops. And then this is the supermarket that they're renovating. Then on the right they have started renovation on the shops on the right. They have changed the roof so far of some of them, but the blue, so those blue one in front of me, not yet upgraded as yet, but they have started on this side. So you have some more shops around here: beauty store, fragrance store, pharmacy, you know, the whole works. Doctor's office, betting and gaming, Chinese food, barber, your salon. Alright, so that's giving you guys a quick glimpse of this shopping center as well, right here in Dwane Park, so you guys can have an idea. Alright guys, so again, leave your comments. Remember to subscribe. Remember to turn on your bell notification. Remember to share the video. And remember to check out my Instagram page. We're not yet at 100 followers, guys, so if you're watching this video now, if you have an Instagram account, head on over to my Instagram page and follow. If everybody that's watching go over and follow, we can reach 500 easily in just today. So we have some more pharmacy. Show you guys a glimpse. So that's KG Pharmacy. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Really love the support. Really appreciate you guys following the channel, always commenting. And remember to check out our sponsor as well, Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited. So if you need a loan, you think Kris and Charles. So see you on another driving video, and thanks for the support, guys.